When is it necessary to utilize a component's warranty like Titan HD's 10-year warranty? You should use a warranty when a part shows failure or performance degradation that is covered by the warranty terms and that cannot be corrected safely or effectively with routine maintenance. Start by reading the warranty text to identify covered defects, the warranty period, and any required steps such as registration or proof of purchase. Register new parts immediately after installation and store the original receipt, packaging, and photos of the part and installation site so you have clear evidence if a claim is needed. If a component is noisy, leaks, cracks, deforms, or does not meet the manufacturer's specified tolerances, document the symptoms with dates and then contact the supplier or manufacturer to open a claim rather than attempting destructive repairs. For items that could cause secondary damage, like a leaking hydraulic line or a failed load-bearing element, stop, use, and isolate the component to prevent collateral costs and to preserve the warranty claim. When a claim is approved, coordinate return shipping and replacement quickly and keep records of all correspondence and costs to support warranty coverage and any reimbursement requests. Common mistakes include waiting too long to register or to file a claim, which can void coverage, so register immediately and file promptly with photos and receipts. Another issue is performing unauthorized repairs that alter the part and then expecting warranty coverage. So avoid disassembly and follow manufacturer guidance, and involve the supplier before attempting fixes. A third frequent problem is poor documentation, which makes disputes harder to resolve, so keep a clear file with dates, installation notes, maintenance logs, and communications to substantiate the defect and the timeline. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners connect with local contractors and find practical cost control advice related to parts and warranties. Our site also helps contractors find work and discuss best practices in the community forum, where we share real-world tips and claim experiences.